Hi, my name is Tiffany and I travel for work and for fun. Here are some of my packing tips to pack a little bit lighter. We're gonna pack 3 weeks into this backpack. I usually bring about 3 shoe options because most of my vacations consist of nature and being in a city. I will mostly wear comfortable walking shoes, and then I'll also bring some flats for dressier occasions, and then also hiking boots for outdoor activities. Try to use every inch of space. Use the inside of your shoes for things like extra socks, underwear, swimsuits, belts, anything that is soft and can fit, put it in there. I like to put the hiking shoes and shoes in bags just in case they get dirty. And I keep it at the bottom so the bag's not top heavy. With clothes, fold over your pants and then fold over the shirt in the middle so it's basically in a perfect line. You can put your socks and underwear here so you have your whole outfit picked out for the day. I like to roll everything. I find that this saves space and can also help with some wrinkles. I will usually wear something 2 to 3 times in a trip unless they're dirty, or also unless I have access to laundry. Also bring a dress just for nicer occasions for whenever we go out. So this folding method is something that I've learned, and I use it for single items more so. And then you bring the arms into the middle and make it into a straight rectangle. Turn it over and you roll it, and the bottom part that you rolled, you tuck everything else in it, and you just have a little burrito baby. You can do it with pretty much anything. This rolling method is great for pajamas or anything lightweight, and then just tightly roll it up. Voila. So we're gonna have 4 outfits, a dress and a jacket, some pajamas, and then an outfit to wear, because you're always gonna be wearing something, hopefully. I always bring a lightweight reusable water bottle. It helps save me money and also reduces some plastic use. And I bring a small going out bag. I'm not gonna bring this big old backpack with me every time I go out. When I'm on a trip, I leave this at home and I bring this small bag. It holds everything that I need, my passport, money. I also saw a hack online where you can put credit cards and money in a mint tin, and that's kind of also a good way to hide some of your money. If I know that rain is in the forecast, I will bring a small umbrella. If you're out in nature, you can also bring a poncho to save some space. I only try to bring what I'm going to need. Leave big bottles at home. So putting it in a contact case is a great solution. It's compact, and if I'm on a flight or in high altitude, it's not gonna burst out of the bottle. If you know you might need to do laundry, you can pack a little bit into a small container. If you're worried about toiletry spilling, putting some plastic wrap over the top and then putting the cap on it can help prevent leaks. All right, we're gonna get to the fun stuff, and we're gonna try to fit all of this into here. I used to be a serious overpacker. I remember going up these cobblestone staircases in Italy, lugging up my big bag, and my sister just looking at me like she was embarrassed to be with me. From then, I progressively learned how to pack a little bit lighter. I'm not gonna say that I'm the best packer in the world, but these are some tricks that I've learned over the years, traveling a lot. Bring snacks, very important. You don't wanna be hangry. Every trip is different, so just plan accordingly. You might need to pack more than this, you might need to pack less, but I hope you found some of these tips useful, especially if you are an overpacker.